welcome to the Mighty Fine Code tutorial for my modern lower thirds. So when you open it up, you've got these folders. This one's Edit Me, and we've got a couple options. I'll take you through them. We've got 4 different lower thirds: 1-line, 2-line, logo, text area. So I'll start with how to edit it. It's really simple. You might have seen it in the preview video. If you get your text tool and you click on the text here, you can change this into Bob Seger. And then if you text tool, click here, change that to a B for Bob. And then you click the mighty I. You can change this length as short or as long as you want. I'd say right about here. And if we scrub through, we see that it's now just as long as I need it. Perfect. If we go to 2-line, we've got our 2-line, same situation. Get the text tool, go up here, Tony Hawk. How about Steve Carroll? Right? Carroll? Yeah. And down here, instead of Pro Skater, we will say Improv Expert. Okay. And then you get your mighty I. Grab that. Make it a little bit longer. Oh yes, and T, let's change that to S. Alright, now we've got our S on the front and the back. Perfect. Oh, you know what? Let's say I want to change the colors. Well, in all these, you go to color options. Up here, you got these check boxes. Now if I checkbox from color 1 to color 2, we get different colors. Checkbox this, we've got even different colors, and checkbox this, we got more colors. And so all of these are inside of Edit Me controls. So if you go into controls, you can see that we've got all these different colors. So whenever you checkbox color 1, you got these A and B. Color 2, A and B here. A is going to be the final resting color. That's the background. So let's say that color 1 is this kind of magenta and gray, and you want to change it to purple and green. Well, let's go to your controls. Let's say we want it to land on a purple. Perfect. And then we want to start on a green. We'll pick a cool green that will go with that purple. Now when we go back to our 1-line, we've got boop boop, green, purple, perfect. And then if we go into any of our other ones, we can easily say, you know what, let's make this one green and purple. Perfect. But you know what, I like the other one, so I'm going to change it back. There we go. Now, if you want to edit the, let's go through the rest of them. Logo, I've got my little mighty I in there. If you want to change that, you just go into your logo under Edit Me and drag in whatever you want. But I've got this guy. And there's not really anything else to that one. For text area, you edit it just like the other stuff. Headline, say this is a headline. Down here, you've got your text. And you can make this as long as you want. I'll just copy and paste, paste. Oh, we've gone past the box. What do? Well, we grab the mighty I right here, and we just drag it up. Whoa, this is really long. How about that? And now when you animate, shoop, shoop, perfect. Did I mention that you should move your marker right around where it says Edit Text here? I might have already done that. I forgot. Anyway, so that's how you edit that. And by the way, these eyes won't be there in the render, so don't worry about that. So now let's say, hey, this is great. I love my lower third. I want it to last for 1,000,000 years. Well, you could do that if you wanted to. I've got these examples. And so for lower third 1-line, Bob Seger, we'll click on the example. And I got this cool script right here that lets you move the end for when it animates off wherever you like. So if you want this to last 10 seconds, just drag the end 10 seconds. So now we've got lower third animates on, it holds, and then animates off after 10 seconds. And that happens with all these guys. So lower thirds 2 lines. You've got drag this off and end around 8 seconds, or you can make it really short. It's up to you. Same with logo and text area. You can drag these in and out. So let's say you have 10 lower thirds. Well, how about, let's see, we've got lower third 1, and we want to have Bob Seger. Let's make another one. So duplicate that. I'll call this Tony Hawk again. Go into Tony Hawk, make this Tony Hawk. I know that's not how you spell it, but anyway, T. Oh, let's make it a little bit shorter. And now I'll show you, if you want to have this fancy little technique of changing the length, I'll just duplicate with a Command D and drag it up so you can see. On PC, that's probably Alt or Control or something like that. And now, there's a cool little trick in After Effects. If I grab my Tony Hawk, I drag it on top of this guy and hold down Option and let go. Now Tony Hawk is in there. So now I can drag my start and end, and it'll animate off whenever I want it to. And I can even go inside of Tony Hawk, say, well, I want this one to be different colors. Let's make him magenta. Now, when I go into here, you can see that I've got a magenta one and a green one. So, that's probably about it. You can change any of these colors, and they'll reflect universally. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy.